So much po. So, we prepared po 11 questions po. So, yung first five questions is about, questions are about background po and demographic. And then, the rest po na six questions is dun na po iikot yung about the environment po na belong ka po which is yung industry nga po ng BPO. So, the first question po, yung name po
Yes.
and age nyo po.
Yes. So my name is Joyce. Full name is Joyce Ortega, and I'm turning 34, but that's way too long. This coming August, I'm currently 33 right now.
Advance happy birthday po.
Thank
So,
you.
second question po is, how long have you worked po in the BPO industry? And may I ask din po kung what account po yung hawak nyo?
I've been working in BPO industry for almost 6 years. I've handled healthcare account, car rental, web hosting, and then sales account, and then for the recent one is financial account.
Pero ayun po, quick singit ko lang din po yun I am, din po, working before sa BPO. Yan po, telco naman po ako. Yan lang po, singit ko lang po. Tapos, for third question naman po, when did you start working in the industry po?
I started working because initially I graduated a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in mathematics, but then when pandemic strikes, I switched into homemade business making, and then after that, when the pandemic was lifted, then that's that time I started working in BPO up until now.
Oh, yun po. Then, do you have any background in communication and customer service prior to your current job? Or
Yes, of
like,
course. I've been communicating with my students since I've graduated bachelor in secondary education,
um,
which is major in mathematics. So it's an everyday communication with my students of different ages, different levels.
yun po. So, for last question po sa background po. What language or languages do you primarily speak at home? And do you think it has influenced your communication skills in the workplace po that you're belong right now?
Actually, I have three languages. I have a vernacular language since I was born and raised in the province Western Visayas, mainly in Guimaras. So we have our vernacular language. And then secondly, uh, since I'm in Manila, I do Tagalog. And then when I'm at work, I do the English language. But on most occasion, this is what I've observed, it's totally fine if you're not speaking in English, even though if you're at home, given the fact that you are working in BPO. It's because English language can be taught and can be learned outside, but we prefer to speak in the environment that we are currently right now, which is Tagalog. But when there is some occasions or just like a bonding or on off days or when my life is offline, then we talk to our cousins, sisters, something like that. We tend to speak in our vernacular language.
Po, thank you so much for that. So let's move on naman po dun sa talagang main point po dun sa environment po dun sa work po. So, yun po. Is there any preparations ahead of your job application po to the industry?
No, there's no preparation in this. I don't know, but it's a cliche that when you are on your work environment, even though you used to speak other languages aside from English, when the when the headset is on and then you talk to the customers, it's just like magic. You tend to speak the way they speak.
Yes, you just like your instinct strike na lang po, no?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So next po, since most of the customers you are speaking with are foreigners po, what actions are you taking to ensure you are both on the same page?
What actions are we taking? Of
You are
course, in handling calls, we have the so-called SPLs, but those SPLs are just a guide. So you do have your own way of communicating to the customers, and as long as it would not forbid the company's policies or the security of the customer's information. So there's no preparation as long as you could talk over the phone call. He or she understands you, and you are able to resolve his or her concerns. That's totally fine. That's a plus.
Yes po, thank you for that. Next question po, are there any instances where the customers use slang or jargon words po from their respective countries? And what do
Yes,
you, meron po, ay po.
yes, a lot of times. Because we are international right now. For my current job, talking, but from the previous job, yes, I've experienced, but not that. But here, right now, in financial account, since it involves money, so there were a thick accents because we're not just talking about U.S. citizens. Some have migrated in the U.S. Some are Indians. Some are Australians. So they are different. But yes, there are thick accents, very thick accents, and they are they are very particular with the customer service that we are providing. Most especially that they know that we are from offshore. On set of the call, I had experienced customer asking for a U.S. representative, and then
Yes.
and then they would say, "Oh, I don't like you. I want a U.S. representative. I only talk to." But of course, we do escalate the escalations.
Relations, yes. Sometimes they prefer sometimes they thought
Yes.
they don't like Asians at all. If you sound too
Yes.
Asian, they will decline you. So ano pa
Yes. Yes.
um so does this lead to argument or misunderstanding sometimes?
Yes. But sometimes sarcasm. We Filipinos are very good at sarcasm. And
Yes,
then
I do agree.
let's say for example, I don't understand you. I don't want to talk to you. I want a U.S. representative. And then I would ask I would ask him, can you verify please before I could connect you over to a US representative, can I verify first your full legal name or the email address associated with your account? And then they would respond, oh, so simply means that you understand me. Something like that. So I think we could go on with this conversation.
Nice rebuttal. Nice.
Yes, that's one of the sarcasm that actually works. So you
Yes.
have to think outside the box. You have to think how to deal with them.
Yes. Thank you po. That's a very good, we will take note of that po. When, when the situations give us like that po. Well, next question po. The English language is the main medium naman po of the communication in your industry. What do
Yes.
you do when customer are not fluent in English or there are thick accent like what you said earlier po for you to understand po?
For the understanding, there's no problem with the understanding, but it's on the customer's side. So you have to use the most simplest words that they could understand, not
Yes po.
the complex one.
Yes. Adjusting, yes po.
Yes,
Um,
and of course, yes, yeah, you have mentioned that you have to adjust maybe the phasing of how you communicate with them, not that too fast.
it's like each word you are
Yeah,
speaking
yeah.
what
Just like you're talking to an 8-year-old kid.
it sounds like a nursery rhyme like that po. So ano po, next one is, how do you deal with irate customers considering a
Oh,
few communication barriers po?
actually, I have a strategy for that. I called it a pressure cooker technique. So if he is irate, do not interrupt them. Just let them speak. And then right afterwards, they have given all of their concerns, their violent reactions, and then you have to be polite. You ask permission if you're allowed to speak, and then if they said yes, then that's the time that you are able to assist them. But do not cut
Y-
them off.
you shouldn't interrupt. Tama naman po. And then, yes pa, we are down to our last question po. So, some customers don't, ayun po. So, I'm gonna read po to my classmate or my groupmate question. Bae, you can ano naman, you can unmute siguro. Because it's not showing in my end.
Ay, sige, continue mo muna yung last question.
Okay po. Okay po. Sa last question po, some customers don't want Asian agents because they believe that they are not proficient in English speakers. Have you encountered this situation? If so, what did you do to escalate the situation? So, yung kanina po, parang na-mention niya earlier, pero what
Yes.
specific escalation po?
Specific de-escalation.
Opo.
I would say that yes, we are from offshore, we are Asian, but then we are trained enough to resolve your issues. And then we could continue in resolving your issues. And if it doesn't work with you, then I'll go ahead and get this documented for security purposes, and then I'll get this escalated. Rest assured that you will be given an email notification if the review or the evaluation of your account is already.
Mm. So, sometimes po kasi di ba parang yung escalation po, parang hindi sila pumapayag or are you allowed po, I mean, depende naman po sa company, pero are you allowed po to say your personal information like you are Asian? Like that po,
Yes, in
company po.
our yes, in our company, if they would ask you. So yes, we are able to disclose, but we are not able to disclose the specific location of where you are located, because ano pa na ta, or are you located something.
Baka po balikan kayo. Di ba?
No, no, it's not. It's not. Or we're not afraid. Yes, we're not afraid of that. The Some of the customers have bad experience, maybe from
Mm,
Asian. But some
mm.
of the customers, when they heard Asian, they are afraid enough because they know that Asian are very intelligent.
Yes, yes. They can counter back anytime they want.
Yes.
So yun po. Tatu, do you want to ask pa questions or follow up?
Um, Hello po, good afternoon po.
Yes, good
Ah,
afternoon.
Bale, ano po kasi, parang very interesting po yung mga na-share niyo so far na mga stories and such. For last question lang po, gusto ko lang sana i-add kung ano po yung
Yes.
naging general reflection niyo when it comes to, for example, growth, career, or sa culture po natin mismo dun sa field. And ano po yung gusto niyong sabihin na lang siguro sa mga taong gusto pong mag-pursue ng job like yours. Yun.
Oh, I see. So in BPO industry, they have the perspective that when you are in BPO industry, you earn lots of money, something like that. But it affects your health, is because that you have a different time. It's really difficult to sleep in the morning or in the afternoon, and then you work at night. It's really difficult. But if you wanted to have growth, maybe I would suggest BPO, because in BPO you encounter different types of customers. You were able to communicate with them off cam, But then if you don't want to communicate, there are certain types of people just like nonchalant and then antisocial, then it's totally fine. Maybe you could do the chat support instead. But in BPO, you will learn a lot. It's because that you are using the same medium of communication, and the environment is good. It depends on how you would deal with your coworkers. At the end of the day, it is still within you and how, because when in fact there are negative thoughts about BPO, and it's a reality that in BPO, since it's very stressing, the work is stressful. In types of relationships, there are lots of infidelities, and we could not and we could not avoid that. But it's up to you still. If you're a person of high interest with something like infidelity, then you go for it. Then if you are not interested with that, then go for it. So at the end of the day, it's still our choice, whatever industry we're in. So it's still up to you.
Ayun po, thank you so
And
much po.
Thank you so
yes,
much po. Last na po. Ayun po, have you encountered po, like, di ba po, pag, when you are in this industry po, parang small talk is really prominent when it comes to this, ano po. Like, like, for example, you're documenting the stuff that you're talking to, then mag-ano po kayo, magda-document kayo. So, parang you're bound to do something, ano po, a small talk. So, during your whole 6 years experience po, parang naka-encounter po ba kayo na parang may differences na, ganito pala yung foreigner when it comes to speaking, na parang, ay, walang ganito sa Pilipinas as a Filipino po. Like, when it comes to
yes, yes,
culture bar.
yes, there is. Yes. Yes, there is. It's just like reading a book and reading between the lines, and most especially that you're talking online off there is really differences, because you need to read between the lines the emotions of the customer. That's why we have a time check. The word "how are you" is just a simple question, but you are able to time check if the customer is aggravated, frustrated, happy, sad. Yes.
Thank you so much po. Toto,
Thank
do
you
you
so
don't
much
have, ano na,
po.
any questions?
I have
Ah,
a question.
Yes, sure po, sure,
ay
sure.
sige po.
I have a question. Back to you. Uh, why did you in the first place? Why did you choose me as the one
Ayun po.
being, to be interviewed, and also since I'm in BPO industry and you have mentioned you're in BPO too,
Wow.
so for this is for your colleagues who have not experienced a BPO. So, what is your intuition, or what's your perspective about uh, BPO workers or
Okay po.
call center agents just like us?
Okay po. So, na back to
How
you.
do you how do you see us working in BPO?
Sige po.
Ah, para
Um,
para po
I'll
kay
be,
Dan.
I'll be the
Okay.
one, ano. So, firstly po, why, yung first question po, why you are the chosen one? Wow, chosen one. Actually po, firstly, ang balak mo talaga namin interviewin is Ate Kenya. Even though I am part of part po ako ng, I have a background in BPO industry. Hindi po kasi kami pwedeng interviewin since I'm still part of this group po. So, kailangan po namin outside the group po yung kailangan namin interviewin. Then, Ate Kenya po, sabi niya po, she's not voice. Non-voice daw po siya, so type. So
Yes,
sabi ko,
both of
sabi ko,
them, Kim, Ate Kim, and Kenneth.
po, sila po. Sabi ko, oh no, parang kailangan po kasi namin ma-hit is voice para po mapakita namin kung paano po yung culture between Filipino and other races po when it comes to culture po. So it is a project po tungkol sa cross-cultural communication po. Parang when two cultures collided po on how they collided po, paano sila nag-work, yung different culture po. So, the BPO industry meron po siyang same concept katulad nito. Then, doon naman po sa Sabi niyo po, "What's my experience? What are my experiences?" Yun na po. Pagdating po sa BPO, well, I started po kasi I was freshly adult, siguro 18 years old. I started 18 years old. So, wala po talagang kamuwang-muwang about anything at all. So, imagine niyo po yung culture shock ko. When I arrived at Alorica, they told me po na, okay, you're ano po, you're up. Sabi, tanggap ka na. Sabi ko, hindi naman po ako nag-a-apply. No, no, sige, kunin mo, ganun po. Hinila lang po ako sa Cubao, then sabi, do you want to be a call center? Like that. Sabi ko po,
So,
sige, like,
pinagkikitaan ka in short.
yes po, ginawa akong reference, nakakainis. Tapos yun po, sabi ko, there's no wrong, there's no harm in trying naman. So sabi ko, sige po. Then, I didn't last, actually. I didn't last po. Siguro, hindi po ako, hanggang tibay lang. Hanggang
Six
tibay lang po.
months.
Hindi po ako na-regularize.
Hindi. I
Yes.
see, I see.
Hindi po ako na-regularize at all. It's because almost pa-regular na po, pero I I chose to awol. Kasi super toxic po. I'm not aware na yung nakuha ko
Yes,
po
it's
palang
really different
account.
working. Yes, it's really different working at night. So that's
Yes,
why.
graveyard. I
But
was assigned
yes,
graveyard.
yes. But lately in my personality, it's because I'm a nocturnal person. My
Mm.
brain is much active when I'm at night.
Well, at that time po, I'm
In the
not like
morning,
that.
it's in the morning. I try to adjust, and then Ken said, "Oh, you had an interview." Oh my goodness!
Oh my gosh,
So
I'm so
I
sorry
try,
po.
yes, I try to I try to take a bath just to freshen up. It's because that it's really hard for me.
Oh my gosh,
But
I'm so sorry
but
po.
I hope, yes, yes, no worries. But I hope that this interview will be as good as your project needs.
Yes.
It will be.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. I'm so sorry. We don't know
It's
po na
okay.
ano pala. Pero yun
Yes,
po.
but it's okay.
Thank you po sa mga inputs niyo po and your experience. Parang nakakatuwa po na we're sharing same ano po experiences mo. I mean to see a tenured
But we
one.
need, yes, yes, we need to be proud. It's because that when the BPO industry started, Philippines is the number one because they don't find it efficient in some other countries. You know, US customers agent, they don't empathize with customers. So that's
Yes.
why a lot of foreigners would love to have a Filipino or an Asian customer service because we empathize. But
Yes.
in America, in US, something like that. Oh no,
They quite rude.
they would say, let's say for example, here I've one of my, yes, one of my experience is that they have purchased a TV, something like that, and then the US citizens are very tamad in in reading instructions. And then, oh, why
Yes.
is my TV not working? Hindi pala naglagay ng ng battery sa remote control, hindi nakasaksak yan. But when compared to the US customer service, let's say for example, given that scenario, pag sa US dyan, sabihin, pag sabi, ano ba to yung warranty na to? Haven't you read your warranty? Ganyan, ganyan. You idiot. Ganun pa yan sila. Yes. I tried. I don't know if you could try. If you have a PayPal account, something like that, you could try
Yes.
the customer service of the US. They're very rude.
Yes po, and I experience din po yung mga discounts. They're really hard pagdating
Yes.
sa discounts.
With the discounts, even it's 0.5, 0.1.
Yes, yung kahit po yung $1 lang na nawala, kailangan pong talagang ipailiwanag
Yes.
kung saan siya napunta. Yung ganun po. Even turning their Wi-Fi on, they don't know it. They will shout at you directly na you're idiot. Pero sila talaga hindi marunong magbukas ng Wi-Fi. Yung mga ganun po.
Most especially, my account is red. difficult, really. It's a financial account, but in terms of crypto.
Oh,
So
crypto.
in crypto, you do tradings, something
Yes.
like that, and then the market value of any of the cryptos, just like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Hedera, Ethereum, something like that, we are not able to control the market value. Then if it fluctuates and drops down, my goodness, prepare your ears. Where did my money go? You scammers, something like that.
Oo nga po 'no, 'pag pinansya talaga
Yes.
masasabihan ka scammers ka, budol-budol gano'n po.
Yeah. So for my next question, you
Oh my
haven't
God.
answered one of your colleague. How do you see us as one of the BPO or
Well
workers?
well po, like
Ilan
for
ba kayo? Ilan ba kayo? Dalawa lang kayo?
opo.
Okay. Yung isa na lang kasi since wala yung
Okey,
in
go.
general perspective. Anong
How
name ng
So,
do
ng kasama mo?
faith po?
ano din faith,
Ay, hello
il
po. Yes
Ilonggo
po.
po siya.
How do you see us? Ay, kabalo ka man gali magilonggo.
Marunong po ako makaintindi pero di po ako ah,
Ah,
salita.
kailangan mong matuto.
Opo. Pero kaya ko naman po
Kung
makaintindi.
magbebenta ka talaga pag punta ka ng Iloilo. Hindi,
Pag-uwi po ako sa
yes, you need
ah,
to. I urge you, I challenge you. You need to
uwi
learn how to speak.
uuwi din po kami sa Iloilo ngayong taon, eh. Kaya po ayun,
Nice.
bale po how do I see you po na nagtatrabaho sa industry ng BPO?
In general, yes, in general. Not just me, but some other of
In
the
in
BPOs. In
general,
general, how do you see us?
ah, I think po as someone po kasi na wala pa po talagang experience in working, I put people like you po on like very high regards po. Kasi parang ang thought ko po, you really handle situations professionally due to the like um ano yun? Due to the um environment that you're in. And ang dami po kasi naming mga
Sige,
kaklase
kaya mo
rin
yan, te.
na ang dami rin
Yes.
po kasi naming mga mga kaklase po na nasa BPO and ilang buwan pa lang po sila nandun, they're very, very good at like expressing their opinions on how they communicate. Alam po nila yung kung paano kalikutin yung communication, paano nila papadaluyan yung
Yung
conversation. So,
navigation of tools. Yes.
yes po. So like in
Navigation
that
of
way
tools.
po, sobrang nakakabilib po and wala pa dun yung time management po of course as a working student, kung paano po nila nama-manage yung mga classes namin and sa schedule nila with work. And 'di ba po in BPO wala po kasing like ah, walang part-time, full-time po lahat. So
Mm-mm.
ayun, I could see po na it's very flourishing po naman in self-growth but at the same time nakikita ko rin po kasi physically yung mga pagma-manifest ng stress sa kanila. Yung iba po parang may legit po na may mga like pumayat, may mga nag-gain po ng weight. So ayun po, I can see how it really made a significance po on their skills. But at the same time, I can see na nagte-take din siya ng toll sa physical and mental health po nila. So ayun,
Mm-mm.
yun po.
Yeah, thank you so much. Amaze na amaze pala kayo sa amin.
Opo. Yes po. Thank you so much po sa interview.
Thank you so much po. Thank you po, Ate Ne. Ano sabi ni Ate Ken? Tawagin ko
Ate
naman po
Ne.
kayong Ate Ne.
Ate Ne. Yeah.
Ayan po.
I'll
Thank you
stop
so
the
much po.
recording na lang po.